Every day, millions of families cook with LPG gas. But have you ever wondered where this fuel comes from? Its journey begins thousands of meters beneath the Earth. The story started nearly 100 million years ago. Tiny sea plants and microscopic animals settled on the ocean floor, where nature slowly transformed them into oil and natural gas. Deep beneath the Earth, extreme heat and enormous pressure changed these ancient remains. Slowly, natural gas and crude oil were created. The gas didn't stay underground forever. It migrated through tiny cracks until it became trapped beneath an impermeable rock layer, forming a giant natural gas reservoir. But finding this hidden gas is one of the biggest challenges. Before drilling begins, scientists must first locate the underground reservoir. Finding natural gas isn't based on luck. Scientists use advanced seismic technology to create detailed images of rock layers hidden thousands of meters below the Earth's surface. After analyzing thousands of data points, engineers finally identify the richest gas reservoir. Now, the exact drilling location is carefully selected. Before drilling can begin, a massive offshore platform is built above the reservoir. Every part is designed to survive powerful storms, waves, and years of non-stop operation. The drilling rig begins its slow journey underground. Bit by bit, the drill cuts through layers of rock, moving thousands of meters toward the hidden gas reservoir. After weeks of drilling, the drill finally reaches the natural gas reservoir. Deep beneath the Earth, the journey of LPG is about to truly begin. The gas has been found, but drilling isn't finished yet. A thick steel casing is lowered deep into the well, creating a strong, secure pathway to the reservoir. Natural gas is under enormous pressure. To keep everyone safe, a giant blowout preventer seals the well and controls the flow before production begins. Now comes the moment everyone has been waiting for. Natural gas begins its controlled journey to the surface. The first gas reaching the platform isn't perfectly clean. Special separator vessels remove water, sand, and liquid hydrocarbons, preparing the gas for its next journey.
After traveling through kilometers of underwater pipeline, the natural gas finally reaches the coastal processing plant. This is where raw gas begins its transformation into clean, usable fuel.
Raw natural gas contains water vapor, carbon dioxide, and traces of sulfur compounds. Before anything else, these impurities must be removed. Now the purified gas enters giant fractionation towers. Each tower separates different gases based on their unique boiling points. This is the heart of the entire process. Inside these towers, propane and butane are carefully separated from the natural gas. When combined in the right proportions, they become the fuel we know as LPG. There's one final step. The propane and butane are compressed and cooled, turning them into a liquid that is easy to store and transport. This is the birth of LPG. Now transformed into liquid, LPG is transferred into massive pressurized storage tanks. These giant tanks safely store thousands of tons of fuel, ready for the next stage of its journey.
Every drop of LPG is constantly monitored. Advanced sensors measure pressure, temperature, and flow around the clock to ensure complete safety. From storage tanks, liquid LPG travels to the bottling plant. Here, thousands of cylinders are filled automatically with incredible precision. Before leaving the factory, every cylinder undergoes strict safety inspections. Leak detection, weight verification, and pressure testing ensure every cylinder is safe to use. After passing every safety check, the cylinders are sealed and labeled. Now they are ready to begin the final journey toward millions of homes. The cylinders are now ready to leave the plant. Automated cranes and forklifts carefully load them. These travel onto specially designed LPG transport trucks. Every cylinder is secured before the journey begins.
Day and night, these trucks travel across highways, mountains, and cities. Their mission is simple: deliver clean fuel safely to millions of families.
Before reaching your neighborhood, the cylinders arrive at regional distribution centers. Here, every shipment is counted, inspected, and sorted for local delivery. From the distribution center, the cylinders are sent to local gas agencies. This is the final stop before they reach homes. From the distribution center, the cylinders are sent to local gas agencies. This is the final stop before they reach homes. But have you ever wondered, what actually happens inside the gas stove when you turn the knob? That invisible blue flame, has a fascinating science of its own.
This small device safely reduces the high pressure inside the cylinder.
Now the gas flows safely through a reinforced rubber hose. Every second, the flow remains carefully controlled before reaching the burner. As the burner is ignited, LPG mixes with oxygen from the air. This perfect mixture creates the clean blue flame that cooks millions of meals every day. Because LPG burns efficiently, it produces very little smoke. That makes it one of the cleanest and most efficient cooking fuels used around the world. Every safe meal begins with simple precautions. A properly fitted regulator, a secure hose, and regular leak checks help keep every home protected. From ancient oceans to underground reservoirs to the flame in your kitchen, chapter, how millions of empty cylinders are inspected, paired, and reused safely. When the cylinder becomes empty, its journey is not over. The delivery team safely collects it and sends it back for another complete inspection.
Back at the testing facility, every returned cylinder is carefully examined. Even the smallest defect can remove it from service.
To ensure complete safety, selected cylinders undergo high-pressure testing. Only cylinders that pass every standard return to customers. The same cylinder begins its journey once again, ready to carry clean energy to another family. A remarkable cycle of science. LPG powers millions of homes across Asia, Europe, Africa, and the Americas. Every country follows the same scientific principles to deliver safe and reliable cooking fuel. Natural gas usually travels through pipelines. LPG is compressed into liquid, making it easy to store inside cylinders and transport almost anywhere. When used correctly, LP burns efficiently with a clean blue flame. Its efficient combustion makes it a widely used cooking fuel around the world. From deep underground reservoirs to advanced refineries and automated filling plants, every stage depends on precision engineering and strict safety standards. Millions of years beneath the earth, thousands of kilometers of travel, and countless engineering systems, all for one simple blue flame in your kitchen. Behind every cylinder are thousands of engineers, technicians, drivers, and safety experts. Their work keeps energy flowing every single day. Technology continues to improve LPG production. Smarter monitoring systems, cleaner processing, and safer transportation are shaping the future. The next time you prepare a meal, remember the extraordinary journey behind every flame. A journey powered by science, nature, and human innovation. Every everyday object has an incredible hidden story. Subscribe now and discover the science behind the world around you. From the depths of the earth to homes around the world, this is the incredible journey of LPG, one of the greatest engineering stories ever told.